Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the thermostat on an Audi A3. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, pliers, and a drain pan. Always ensure the engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant. You will also need new coolant and a replacement thermostat with a fresh gasket. This guide will help you perform this maintenance task efficiently and safely, saving you time and money. Now, let's drain the coolant. Position a suitable drain pan beneath your radiator to catch all the old fluid. Open the radiator drain plug or carefully disconnect a lower radiator hose, allowing the coolant to flow out completely. Next, you'll need to remove any air intake components or hoses that are blocking your access to the thermostat housing. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors gently. With access clear, it's time to remove the old thermostat. Unbolt the thermostat housing, which is usually secured by 2 or 3 bolts. Carefully take out the old thermostat and its gasket. Make sure to thoroughly clean the mating surfaces on both the engine block and the housing to ensure a perfect, leak-free seal. Now, install your new thermostat and gasket, paying close attention to its correct orientation. Finally, let's get everything back together. Reattach all hoses and components, making sure they are securely fastened. Now, refill your cooling system with the correct type and amount of new coolant. It's crucial to bleed any trapped air from the system by running the engine with the heater on high. Always inspect for any leaks and monitor your engine temperature closely during a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.